Home,
What do you mean by home? Home is a boon, it's a blessing.
a real destiny for a man.
It creates a relationship between the husband, wife, and the kid.
Once if we see back in after 10 years or 15 years, what I have achieved in my life, this is a home.
We form a connect together, and there is a networking which builds in a home.
Home is always a temple.
It's a temple where it connects everybody forever and ever, years together.
To purchase a home, also we should have a blessings of a parent. That is very important.
It should be a dream of every person in life.
Purchasing a house or apartment is very difficult. We need to analyze everything. We need to check the legal documents.
I got married in the year of 2013, and we started our career in a rented home.
The cost of a living home is very, very expensive.
We started from 10,000 and 15,000. I had lot of troubles in the homes.
Generally, when we have a husband and wife, we never think of anything to save something on that. When we have a kid, we always think we should save something for our kid.
In rental house, we have lot of problems, especially car parking. Car parking was a major issue. We spent almost like 7 lakh to take a new purchase car, but whereas there is no parking, we have to park it somewhere else. That was a major concern.
And more important thing is a RERA approval. That is a license which the government is going to approve, and the builder is going to tie up with the government, and he give assurance to the government that yes, the infrastructure what I am constructing here is safe for all the families living over here.
We have a sanitary issue, we have a drainage problem, we have water scarcity.
We went for an apartment in Electronic City. We planned to purchase that apartment. We gave him the check as well. But unfortunately, the bankers rejected. Why? Because that project was not a RERA approval. RERA approval is very important. Even nowadays, bankers are very strict on that. The builder should have a RERA approval, and he has to commit to the measurements and the infrastructure what is going to do that.
I have to get up in the early morning. My cab is around 6:45. There's no water. I have to check out with the owner. Please, can you please switch on the motor? Oh, it was damn difficult for me to find out. So I thought I made my decision.
Even we tried for this site, and our legal opinion, he told me, even if you purchase for a blank site or something, you will face a legal problem because there are a lot of duplicates which is going to happen in the documents.
Why should we suffer all these things when we have a decision of taking a home? Let's move from a rented house to our own house or a flat. My decision was very confident, saying that we have to get into a flat, not an independent home or a rented home anymore.
When we have a lot of competitors in Bangalore, why is DX Max?
My cousin purchased the flat without no amenities. There is no lift, there is no car parking, no jogging track, no gym. Yes, that was one of the major concern which I had. I in fact asked him, why did you go for it? Due to a situation he went, but we took a time of 4 years. We landed up to the multiple builders. Even few of the builders do gave us the amenities, but few of the things were missing.
Once we decided, the question came, what is the cost? What is the location? And where do I settle down? That was very important.
My main inspiration in my life to take a home is only because of my daughter. My daughter was born in 2013. Yes, I wanted a house just for her purpose. Her future has to be very secured. That was the main intent and content to buy a house for me. My journey started from zone wise. We started from south. We started from Electronic City, Anekal, area by area, sector by sector. We roamed. We checked out for square feet, multiple square feet, multiple location, multiple builders. Yes, and legal opinions. Oh my God, it was dramatic. In fact, and finally I approached many people, and one of the man who is never ending in my life, I cannot forget him throughout my lifetime. That is Ravindra Gowda, who inspired me very much. Ma'am, believe me, trust me, DX Max will definitely give you whatever you want.
He advised us, sir, you don't worry about the future. We are there. We are going to save you. You tell me whether you want your own house or you want to leave it for a rent. So then we told that no, we want it for our own house because it's our dream and I need to really fulfill my dream. And the person, he really advised that, sir, please come. We have a very good location as per your dream, and whatever the calculations you have, everything meets your budget.
Based on the locality and area, we thought, okay, we will go ahead. Why we went ahead with this? Because you are getting lot of amenities. There were multiple amenities in DX Max. Example, jogging track, car parking area. We have a gym. We have a children's park area, and the location is beautiful here. So that decided my mind. Okay, let's go to DX Max, and very budget oriented, where a middle class family can afford a home is with DX Max forever and ever. Without no doubt, I can assume that.
And they are very strict on the measurements and the infrastructures as per the plan what they have given to the RERA. Based on that only the project is ready, and we are really happy with the DX Max.
There were a lot of compliments received from my friends, from my neighbors, relatives, saying this house is looking very beautiful. I just wanted to give you a glance and instance. How did we arrive at such a kind of interior design?
For me, the color concern. For my wife, it's the interior design concern. Selection of a color is very, very important. We had a small issues every now and then saying that yes, this color doesn't matches, that color doesn't matches. Let me put this color onto one room, the other color onto the other room.
According to me, light colors give you a peace and pleasure in the home. My favorite color is blue, and we thought for a kitchen, let's go with the blue and white theme. It's my loving color always, and baby girls always love pinks, so we decided her room has to be in pink in color. So completely we had a pink theme for the kids room. And for a master bedroom, we thought okay, blue and ash combination might go with the wooden shades. We thought let's put it for a false ceiling, that might look good. I'm very fond of chandelier, so I thought let's go for it near the dining area. I am a follower of Buddha, so wherever I am there should be a Buddha, because the peace is more important for us in a family. My experience with DX Max is fantastic and fantabulous. You know why? There are a lot of people who encouraged me, motivated me. I would like to name very few. First to name Ravindra Gowda, who was my best inspiration person to understand about my budget and showed me a beautiful place.
Next to him, there was Ashish, who took to the site and he told me, sir, you told me your budget, you told me your plan. As per that, we have a project here.
Coming to the site location, I would like to thank Shivmurthy. He's the person who took care of each and everything. The more number of times I called, he was not at all frustrated. He was so patientful. Yes, ma'am, I'll do that. I was very happy for it.
Team of bankers who is really coordinating with the bankers and getting our documents done every now and then. Really thank to Shiv Kumar and the team, and Leena especially. She made us the document go well in a easy, smooth manner.
And next, I would like to thank Animesh,
Kubeb, the interior team,
Supreet,
Ranjit,
Ashwini from customer service,
and Sandhya.
Vishal, Deepit, Ajit and Pramod from public relationship.
And the team of the painters and the electrician, they are really helpful.
You have named our house as Kushi. You know who is Kushi? She is
my
a
little
lovely
daughter.
daughter and princess of
My
our
name is
home.
Koshi. Say hi.
I'm Bhuvana.
I'm Gautam.
You're proud
owners
owners of
of
Flat
Flat
223 DX Max.